Now students, digestion completes in duodenum of small intestine. Duodenum is the part of small intestine, and here digestion is completed. Large macromolecules of food are broken down into smaller ones with the help of three juice: bile juice, which excrete from the liver and gallbladder. It's synthesized in the liver but stored in the gallbladder. Pancreatic juice, which excrete from the pancreas, and intestinal juice, which excrete itself in duodenum. So these three chemicals are very important for breaking large molecules of bolus into smaller ones. Now student, look at the diagram. This is the gallbladder, and there is a right bile duct, left right hepatic duct, left bile duct, and both are common bile duct, in which cystic duct of gallbladder is also merged. Now this is the pancreas, and now the liver and pancreatic duct, both ducts are open with the help of sphincters of Oddi. It is the muscles which open and close. So the pancreatic and bile juice excrete into the duodenum. So this is the figure of complete digestion. Students, now first one is bile juice. It is highly alkaline, so it changes the medium of chyme, which comes from the stomach. So large fat molecules broken down into smaller ones, that is called emulsification of fat. Second, there is no digestive enzyme present in the bile juice. It only acts as a emulsification of fat. Means large fat molecules are broken down into smaller fat molecules. Second one is pancreatic juice. It has so many digestive enzymes. First one, amylopsin or amylase. It converts polysaccharide into maltose. Second one is strepsin. It converts esterified fat into monoglyceride, fatty acid, and cholesterol. Trypsinogen, it is inactive. So in the presence of endokinase, it become active, and when it active, it broken down protein into peptones and polypeptides. Second one is also inactive enzyme chymotrypsinogen, which active in the presence of trypsin, and it also broken down rest of protein into peptones and polypeptides. This is the second protein splitting enzymes. First, you studied in the last video, in which there is pepsin, which excrete from the stomach. So there are two main protein splitting enzymes. Pepsin present in the stomach, but trypsin present in pancreatic juice, and it comes into the duodenum. Now last one is intestinal juice. Okay, now I love it. Look. Now this is the last enzyme, intestinal juice, in which erepsin, very important enzyme, is present, which broken down polypeptides and peptone into smallest unit, that is called amino acid. Second one is carbohydrate, is in which Three enzymes are present: maltase, lactase, and sucrase. They act upon maltose, lactose, and sucrose and broken down into glucose and galactose, glucose and fructose. These are all smallest unit of carbohydrates. Besides this, there is a small amount of lipase which convert monoglyceride and cholesterol into fatty acid and glycerol. And one is more important enzyme also present, which is called nucleotidase, which act upon nucleic acid, DNA and RNA and broken down into its smallest unit, which is called nucleotides. Now students, this is the complete digestion which occur in the duodenum of small intestine. Okay students.